Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another short video where we make a smoothie. So this one is a peach and apricot smoothie. To make this you need, here we have about 2 peaches. We're using canned peaches, but if you have fresh, go ahead and use it. But make sure it's frozen because we need our smoothie to be extremely cold since we're not chilling it in the fridge. Here we have a handful of ice cubes, and here we have 5 dry apricots that we've just let them sit in orange juice in the freezer, and lastly a cup of orange juice. So of course everything is frozen. The juice has been, we've put it in the freezer a few minutes ago, and we just took it out because we need everything to be very cold for our smoothies, since we don't chill them because after blending we immediately serve them. So once again, the steps are very obvious. So you're going to take the peach, put it in a blender, add the apricot and orange juice, and we're just going to blend. So now we're just going to blend it, and of course we're going to use the pulse function first. So this is what it looks like after we've blended it, and as you can see, it's a nice color. It looks very nice, cold, refreshing, and I really can't wait to just drink it right now because I'm very thirsty. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook to support me to make more content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.